our body has a way of healing, but you need to give it time. Just to share with you, Dino, I was also pre-diabetic last year. For 4 years, I was pre-diabetic. My sugar was moving up and up and up, and to the
Mhm.
point that 2 points already, I was gonna be diabetic.
Oh.
And you know what I changed, and I want to share this to everyone. This is not to plug any product. But what really helped me is did not I did not eat so much anymore of the white rice, because the white rice is the one that actually is causing my pre-diabetes. And
Mm.
what happened was I replaced it with a fiber rice called shiratake rice. That it tastes like rice, it looks like rice, but actually it's just fiber and water.